Monday, April 3rd in Quartzite, Arizona. We got a wind advisory that visibility is expected to drop to 0. You already can't see the mountains. It's getting bad out here. Well, we just got an advisory, an emergency advisory that the visibility is expected to drop to 0 here in Quartzite because of the dust. It is getting really bad out here. This has been the windiest, coldest year on record, according to a lot of people. Yeah, you can barely see out here, and it's only about 5:30 in the evening. The sun's still up, but you can't tell.